Hi everyone, this is Jagjit and today we're going to be going over chain rule. So let's say if we have an equation y is f of g of x, okay? Y is made up of a function f, which is further made up of g of x, okay? So our derivative is just going to be derivative of f times derivative of n side, okay? I know at this point it probably doesn't make much of a sense, but when we do a few examples, it's gonna sink in, okay? So let's get into the examples, folks. We're gonna get into the examples. So my f of x is 4x squared minus 3x minus 9 raised to the power 12, okay? We want to get the derivative of that. So again, same as power rule. Whenever we have a power at the top, we're going to times it by the constant in front, which is just going to be 12. And now the power is going to go down by 1. The power is going to get subtracted by 1, so this would just be 11. Times, so this is where the chain rule comes in, times derivative of n side. So derivative of this whole thing is going to be 8x minus 3. Okay? I'm not going to solve this further because I just want to make sure you understand the concept first. Okay? F of x was 4x squared minus 3x minus 9, all raised to the power 12. Okay? To get the derivative, we will do 12 times constant in front, which is 1. So 12 times 1 is 12.